When using Contractor Pro, you will be able to do advanced searches on the appointments. To use this feature, click the left menu button, then select Appointment Search. There are many search criteria available. For example, you can search by date range, appointment status, customer, associate. You can also search by keyword in the project description. On the appointment search page, the date from and date to fields are automatically populated for the past week. My appointments option is selected by default. This is to search your own appointments. My appointments are by affiliation option is to search appointments where you work for other business partners. When my appointment is selected, you can search the appointment by its financial status in 4 ways. Paid in full means the customer paid for the appointment in full. Outstanding balance means the customer has outstanding balance due. Paid in full to associate means you have paid associates on the appointments in full. Payment due to associate means you still need to pay off associates on the appointment. When my appointments by affiliation is selected, you have two options. Paid in full means your business partner has paid you in full for your work in his appointment. Outstanding balance means your business partner still needs to pay you for your work performed. Note, the financial search options only make sense if you record related data in the app. If you have not kept track of the financial data, you can ignore these search options. In this example, search all the appointments scheduled between between August 29th and September 10th. On the return results, you can click each individual appointment to view the details.